So we arrived at the islands. So this is our site. You can see it. Some of these campgrounds got some pretty crappy sites. Mind you, the campground itself is really nice. So we're gonna move the table over here so we have somewhere to put the tent. But look at that view over there. You can see, we're assuming it's Shelburne. Oh, we can even see big boats, Paula. So we'll have to set up and head over there. I see some really nice buildings from here I want to see. Yeah. Popper. Mashed potatoes. And constitute potatoes. And before everybody says yuck, it's gotta be delicious. Can of meatballs and gravy with a can of beef. His idea. But it is going to be good. With a little pita bread. Bon appetit. See, he likes it.
Of course.
Put up our little shelter because the fog is rolling in. Still at the islands. There's Daryl. I think I'm going to have to move him back because he's right on the road. So tent. And live long and prosper. I said the fog coming in reminds me of the Fog movie. Paul says he thinks it's the mist. So now we got to be careful of monsters coming out and getting us overnight. A lot of ducks out there. I think the ducks will get it first. At least I hope they'll get it first. Fog is rolling in pretty fast. Earlier you could see right over to Shelburne. Now you can't see nothing. It's gonna be pretty damp nice. Ooh. Remember the movie The Fog? Oh my God, I hope that's not what's happening. That would be horrible. There's ducks down there, look. Run, duckies, swim, swim before the fog comes. We have Carol and Daryl with us. Just sitting there on a rock. They're going to protect us from zombies. Got a fire. Sailor Man talking to our girl. She's in basic training for the military. She is going to go into the Navy. She's going to follow in her father's footsteps. So the fog has finally lifted. A lot of dew on the trees though. Almost sounds like rain. See all the lights of Shelburne. Almost looks like a little city, but it's not. All those lights in a row. These are historic properties. There's a really nice boardwalk there. So you should visit it. It's nice. So we're at the islands picnic area. We just came from Shelburne over there. Cute little village. We were just on that side. It's only like 5 minutes around. Look at those rocks out there. The tide is down really, really low since we were here earlier. That looks like a little beach. Paul, that looks like a little beach over there. Might be able to go swimming yet. could see Shelburne over there. Yeah, we can't see anything. Just the mist. And we're getting wet, so it is the mist. So if monsters come out at night, you'll hear me screaming all the way in Halifax. So we're packed up again, leaving the islands. Say cheese. Swiss. Trying to get our clothes on. I'm going to Tim Hortons for breakfast. He says it's 5 minutes from here. So we'll see.
Probably 6.
Probably 6.
Just to prove you wrong.
Still foggy. We got, well, I'm going to say 3-hour ride ahead of us.
Yeah, about that.
Because we're going to make a few stops. And we're going to Graves Island tonight. And stop in Lunenburg. No, Liverpool. We've decided Liverpool, right? In Bridgewater.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Side trip to Oak Island.
Yeah, side trip to Oak Island. No.
We're here.
Are we really?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
Is there a dirt road?
No.
Okay. I'm not going down any more dirt roads. I told him.
Now.
I say that now, but I'm not. My poor bike wasn't made for that.
Well, I guess you can't leave the park. You're stuck here.
Talk to you later. This is the comfort station for the Islands campground. So I'm just going to show you. Size of the bathrooms. They're all handicapped equipped, of course. Full shower. Tink. It's huge. I'm not sure how many there are, maybe 8. We're all around the building. It's a really nice building. And they're all in the outdoors. So they're very nice. So yeah, masks required, of course. Nobody wears a mask in there. It's starting to fog up. It's really nice. I think it's fairly new. Big ramp. The dishwashing station over there. Yeah.